Yes, let's start with the fungi. Two diagrams left. One is Aspergillus and other one is Penicillium. So let's draw with the Penicillium. Sorry? Yes. Penicillium. Write down spores. And these cup shape, these shapes are called steri. You can write down in bracket cup shape structure. Right? I know, two diagrams left, that's why I'm telling. Then the second one, Aspergillus. These are sterigomata, means cup shape structure. In your book, they made like this. You can draw like this also. This is Penicillium. Here it is Aspergillus. No issue, right? Right here again, these are spores and these are atta, and this is S per. Draw these. Ji beta. Yes, yes, yes. You can just. दोनों. These are the cup-shaped structure on which the spores are present. ठीक है. Then beta. Okay, do it. Fine. Virus, as we already discussed, that is the connecting link between the living and the non-living. When they are outside of the host body, they are non-living. They cannot grow and cannot, like, do not reproduce on their own. But when they will enter in the host cell or the living cell, they use their energy and grow and reproduce. So that's why the immunity becomes weak, right? So now I'm going to make the diagram of bacteriophage virus. Write down. Write down bacteriophage virus. First, you will write down it is a type of the virus that infects bacteria. Right? Means bacteria eater. We used to say this is the bacteria eater. Bacteria eater. Because it destroy their host cell. ये बैक्टीरिया सेल के जो होस्ट सेल्स है उसको डिस्ट्रॉय कर लेते हैं. दैट्स अ बैक्टीरिया ईटर. नाउ make hexagonal ring like this. Collar. First draw like this. What we have to draw? Look here. Right? Here we will meet like this. And triangle here. Right? Bas. By staining, when we will use. Right? Collar. Wait. Look. Right? Then, okay, this, from here, this. ये, this is the hexagonal plate जो है, that is the base plate. It's not like that. You can do like, draw anyway. Right? 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 Like this. Okay? Do the labeling. Yes. Now we will discuss about the harmful or the benefits of the microorganism. Although we already discussed that the microorganisms are useful to us as well as the harmful for us. Now we will discuss the points that comes under the benefits, like the what are the useful microorganism and how they are helping us, and what are the harmful. Now write down the heading. Means we can say friendly microorganism, or we can write down useful microorganism. Useful microorganism. Nahin. How they are useful? As we discussed that when we used to make the curd, how a curd is formed. So write down the first point, how the useful microorganism, how the microorganism are useful for us. Write down number 1, making of curd and bread or food items. Making a curd, bread or food items. How they help? Right? Number 1, I am going to discuss about the curd formation. Right? I will tell you how the curd is formed. Write down, I am writing in a very descriptive manner, like curd form. Firstly, what we will do? We will take milk plus curd, a little amount, like a spoon of the curd is adding in the milk, half spoon or the 1 spoon, depend upon the climatic condition. When we are doing it in the summer, so half spoon is sufficient. But now these days, in the winters, what we have to do, we have to make a like 1 spoon and after then cover it with the warm cloth so that it will grow, right? Milk plus curd, then lactobacillus bacteria that multiplies. Milk become acidic. Milk becomes acidic. How? Because of the lactobacillus bacteria multiplies. Then, what is actually present in the milk that convert the milk into curd? When this happens, that the milk become acidic, then the protein that is present in that milk, casein, CASEIN. Write down CASE coagulates. What is casein? That is the protein present in the milk. Protein present in a milk, that is called casein. that coagulates means जम जाता है and that helps in the formation of the curd. तो इसके बाद क्या होता है? Formation of मतलब what happened when we are taking the milk and after that when we will add the curd in it, lactobacillus bacteria that multiplies rapidly and they become the milk acidic, खट्टा हो जाता है. Then the casein protein that is present in the milk that coagulates, that means sticks together and formation of curd is done. Clear? हाँ, table. That's why I had written in the tabular form. हाँ, definitely. You can also write down milk contain a sugar. Write down नीचे. Milk contains a sugar called lactose. No? So conversion stops. Milk contains a sugar called lactose. Milk contain a sugar lactose milk contain a sugar called lactose. Lactobacillus bacteria present in curd lactobacillus bacteria present in curd help in converting milk into curd. Converting, or you can write lactose sugar to lactic acid. Right? Write down the one question here. Important ingredient, like as we used to say, the important ingredient is used for making the breads and all that. How they work? मतलब baking industry for making bread, cakes, pastry, one ingredient is used. An important ingredient of rava, idli, baking is curd, or what we are using it. Why? Yeast is using in the baking industry. Why yeast is using? In the rava suji, when we are making the idlis and all that, at that time we use the curd. Why? Yes, Ru? How? And convert the and releases the carbon dioxide. Write down, which makes it fluffy. Write down why yeast is used in the baking industry. In baking industry, right? Why yeast is used in the baking industry for making breads, cakes, and pastries. For making Write down the answer. As you told, yeast reproduce rapidly and releases carbon dioxide during respiration. Bubbles of this gas fill the dough and increase its volume. That's why it makes a cake soft and fluffy, because the space that is filled with this gas, right, that makes the things soft and the fluffy. Because when it is filled with the gaseous molecule, that means it can be easily pressed. So it is a soft as well as the fluffy, right? So why yeast is using in making the cakes, breads, and all these things? Because it releases the carbon dioxide, which makes the cakes and all these things fluffy.